Hello guys, I'm a Alan Quest with Hello in this tutorial how to recover your email ID in case you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone number. Yes, in a case someone who has hijacked your email ID, someone who has stolen your email ID, hacked your email ID, or you have lost your device and quickly you would like to recover your data via your recovery your Gmail. How it is possible? We will see here by providing enough information for Google. We can show, we can cleanse this ID is mine, and of course Google will give an opportunity to create a strong password to add the recovery email and recovery phone number. How it is possible? We will see live now. Just to see guys, this idea has been recommended by my viewer. So just we will go for here. Click on to tap next in our account recovery. And now we have two options. One is a special, either we can go for by entering password next, or we can go for alternative, try another one. Now here we don't have a phone number, so directly we can click on here. Now here, see guys, it's saying that 6 digit etc on this number it has given us, but we don't have a phone number. So now we are on here. How can I reach to recover this ID? Here if I click try again, then it will be a freeze for time being. If I try multiple times, or by trying the multiple times, if I try 3 to 5 times, then of course Google will give an opportunity to send especially your identity proof document on the basis of Google will endorse to justify that this account is really yours or not by any email ID you can. But of course this procedure is also especially will take a 48 hours, so how quickly you can recover it. So for it guys, simply just we will cut it, and I don't try from here. Now just we will go for come in a especially Play Store, and of course here we will have to write Dolphin browser. So let's write here Dolphin browser. We will have to write here and of course we will have it, we will click here to install. So now see here it has started to install. It's in a panning, but of course quickly it will be installed. So just let it install. We will cut it from here. We will come in a Google, and here we will have to hold a especially in G browser and click on a help icon here. Now what we have to do here guys, just simply we will click on allow notifications. Of course we will click on make it disable, and thereupon of course we will back tap on a permission, navigate the locations, make it disable the precise locations, click here don't allow. So basic feature of your device. Yes, as we know that if you deny this permission will be no longer function as intended. For time being I am doing it, no problem at all. Now we will cut it from here. Once again we will come in a Google product. We will have to hold a especially Chrome browser because it's also product of Google, and thereupon here just we will click on a help icon, and thereupon of course we will come in a notifications to of course we will have to make a deny to disable. Now here come the permissions, navigate the locations, make the precise location disable, and thereupon of course click on don't allow. So if you deny this permission, basic feature of your device, yes, may no longer function as intended. For time being I am doing it, so no problem at all. We will back, and of course we will back, and here is a especially see browser app. Just we will click, we will select the Dolphin browser, and thereupon of course we will cut it from here. Now here of course we will come in a Dolphin browser. Just to tap on it to open. Now here you will have to go for only one time. Yes, click on allow. We will go for agree entered, and here you have to write google co.in. So just write here and of course we will have to pick this. So now see here guys, we'll go in a sign in. Simply in sign in we will have to write, yes, we will pick this ID. Then of course we will go for next. Similar strategy you will have to do step by step process. And of course in this ID, see live here, it will be a recover. Just we will click on a forgot password. We don't have also phone number, so of course we will pick this one quickly. Try again. So we will not try again because it would be especially freeze for time beings for 48 hours, and because Google will trust easily that I'm trying to recover this particular ID that doesn't belong to me by a different browser. So in that condition of course easily can be trusted from here. Simply we will cut it from here, and upon of course we will have to tap in a setting. Just now we will do a step by step. Yeah. In setting of course we will have an options to a Google service. Here it is, see, just we will click on it. Now we have option 3 dot and a help icon. Just we will pick this help options, and upon of course here we have options to explain your problem. So here we have for that you think someone else is using, just we will pick this one, and upon of course here now we will go for secure your account. Of course we will have to now review your account activities. Then of course here find out if your account has been hacked. This one we will have to fix. Then of course here just we will scroll up, and now we have a account recovery page. Just we will click on here, and here just we will have to enter that particular ID that of course here we want to recover. Now here just simply we will go for here, click here to next. Now see guys, here it's asking that if you wanna this ID, especially you wanna click on a not now. Now here see here just we have a two options. One is a change the password, second is especially continue. Directly we would be landed here. Now here we have two options. Either we can change the password, we can go for continue. So here just we will click here change the password, and now we have an opportunity to create this strong password here quickly. And of course after changing this password, of course we can go for to add their additional recovery number and recovery emails. Easy way, simple steps about that. Quickly you can recover it. This is all about it, this video tutorial guys. Furthermore any inquiry of course the have the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be must to reply your query guys. So thank you very much indeed. And of course this is only for institution purpose. Don't misuse it guys. Simply step by step proceed, and thereupon of course you will be able to quickly get it once again your Gmail ID. Thank you very much indeed.